Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? If today is your first time, please subscribe, like and share. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cornrow your hair. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get right into this video. Okay, so my hair is stretched, washed, clean. So we're working with a clean hair and a stretched hair. That is the first step, right? And I have my mirror here, so I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair into two sections, right? So that's what we're going to do first. Okay, so I'm using this kinky extension because I added it to the tip of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead to prep it, cutting it into two, before starting the cornrow. Okay, to the show of the day, you want to make sure you have 3 small sections, right? Because that's what we're working with. And as you're going to see, I went underneath with my right pinky to pick hair from the left. And I just, did the same with my left pinky, went underneath, picked hair from whatever side. If it's the right or the left, you pick hair from it and you just continue to cornrow, and you repeat the same process until you get to the end of the hair. And for mine, I added the kinky extensions to it. For the tip of the hair, I went ahead to add the kinky hair. I put the other strand away. I cornrowed twice, and then I added the other strand to the hair, and then I continued to cornrow to the end, and then I just twisted the tip of the hair.